Welcome to Silkua. We specialize in high-quality silk manufacturing. Focus on high-quality custom silk accessories. Meet your wholesale customization needs. Selected 100% 6A-grade mulberry silk, each piece of fabric is strictly inspected to ensure top quality. Professional cutting technology, accurate to the millimeter, ensures perfect shaping. More than 20 years of production experience ensures that every stitch is fine and even. Makes silk eye masks more comfortable and durable. High-temperature steam ironing makes silk smoother. It fits better and ensures high-end quality. Lightweight and breathable, it protects your skin and provides a truly luxurious sleeping experience. Various colors and styles can be customized to meet different needs. Silkua supports personalized customization such as embroidery, printing, packaging, etc., with no minimum order quantity and a minimum order of one piece.